something terrible has happened! It's going to blow out! What should we do? The oil well collapsed. Huge losses. Who can take responsibility?
Step aside. I can fix it. Let me try.
Can you fix it? You a cleaner. Do you know micrometer? Or fluid mechanics? Why don't you go clean the toilets, huh?
This is a man's world, bitch! Get out of here!
Boss, we're still checking for the cause of the malfunction.
So you're the one who said it'd be easy to fix our little malfunction?
Simple.
You're just a low-level cleaner. Why are you so confident? My highly paid engineering team can't even find the problem.
Because I'm a professor of fluid mechanic at the University of Houston.
Are you telling the truth? You gave up being a university professor to come here and do the dirtiest, most menial labor? Does this look stupid to you?
I have no reason to lie to you, and this system, only I can fix it.
Boss, this woman is out of her mind. Don't listen to her. I could trust you, but what if you can't fix it? What if you just waste our repair time and trigger an even bigger crisis? What then? You must prepare $300,000 for the first stage of the surgery. Otherwise, she won't last 3 months.
That Trident deep-sea drilling system took me 8 years of blood, sweat, and tears to develop. How the hell did it become yours?
Because I registered the patent first.
Do you really think I'd ever be interested in you if it wasn't for that system?
Next, where can you don't...
Next, you'll be officially expelled from the university for plagiarizing my patent.
If I can't fix it, the blowout pretender will rupture soon, and a massive blowout will contaminate the entire Gulf of Mexico. When that happens, I'll take the fall. I'll confess that I intentionally sabotaged the equipment, so you'll be cleared of all federal penalties.
Is this woman insane? She'll spend the rest of her life in prison.
I am the inventor of this system myself, but my ex-husband took away my research achievements.
How dare you talk big? You can't fix this at all, bitch!
But what if I do fix it?
A blowout could happen any second. If it does, I won't just lose everything. I'll be facing federal criminal charges. If you actually fix it, this company, we split it 50-50.
Deal.
Good.
Dad, please think it over again.
I've made up my mind. Go draw up a contract.
I need $300,000 to fix it.
So after all that big talk, you're just trying to scam the boss for money. 300,000? She's got quite an appetite.
Once you take this money, there's no turning back.
Daughter, you will surely get well. Mom will go out and pay the operation fee for you.
Acting like a dog. And she still pretends to be a university professor? I bet she's just a low-life scammer looking to take the money and run.
Besides the equity contract, there's also a confession letter here. If you fail to fix it and cause a blowout, you will bear all the consequences alone. You'll spend the rest of your life rotting in prison. Now, you may begin.
The Trident deep-sea drilling system. Every single line of your code, every pressure parameter of every valve, I designed them all myself day and night over 8 long years. I never imagined I would see you again in a way like this. Victor decisively stole you from me, but you'll always be like my own child.
Have security lock down every exit. Don't let her escape.
Dad, you don't believe she can fix it at all, do you? You only signed that contract so she could take the fall if there's a blowout.
If my team of engineers can't handle this crisis,
What makes you think a lowly cleaner can? Since she's so desperate for the spotlight and wants to play the hero, I'll give her exactly what she wants.
These pipelines crisscross like a maze, total length of over 10 kilometers.
What could she possibly tell from it? She's a professor from University of Houston. Maybe she got superpowers?
Dad, the supplier of this deep-sea drilling system just replied to our email.
What did they say?
The supplier ran supercomputer simulations with the fault parameters we sent them. Their conclusion is the main control valve of the system is damaged. It has to be fully replaced. The quoted price is $80 million US.
$80 million?
The system's main control valve is perfectly intact. It's the secondary pump that's causing the malfunction.
You're nothing but a lowly cleaner. How dare you question and override the equipment supplier's professional diagnosis?
I know far more about this system than those suppliers.
What grounds do you have for your claim?
The high-pressure oil flow inside the pipelines,
Which should normally run smooth and steady.
has turned noticeably slugged, even producing delayed resonant echoes. This is a sign of internal fluid back pressure. It can only be caused by pressure imbalance in the secondary pumps. All we need is to replace one rubber gasket. The cost will be less than $100. As for their conclusion that the main control valve is damaged, frankly, their technical expertise is simply incompetent.
You are a woman, a lowly cleaner. Lying on the pipe and listening to the sound of water, dare to draw conclusions. Do you think this is just the water pipes in your backyard? Do you even have any idea how many secondary pumps there are in this entire system?
839 secondary pumps.
How could a mere cleaner possibly know such a specific, obscure figure in this enormous, immensely complex system?
Then do you know exactly which secondary pump is faulty?
That one.
Without any testing equipment, you can pinpoint the faulty one among 839 secondary pumps? Do you think you're God?
I've already listened with my ears. What more tools do I need?
Take the detector and check that pipeline.
Some lowly cleaner putting on ours.
She's putting up a convincing act. Let's see how she digs herself out of this later.
After instrumental testing, that secondary pump does have an extremely subtle pressure leak. The error is less than 0.01%, yet it's enough to cause the blowout prevention system to fail.
It's just a coincidence. Yes, it has to be a coincidence.
You good for nothing. How dare you still shout here? Sarah, please proceed with the repair at once.
Shut down the main valve, drain all the pressure from the pipeline, and make room for Sarah to repair it.
Every time the main valve is shut down and restarted, the energy loss and downtime costs can reach hundreds of thousands of dollars. There's no need to waste this money.
If the main valve not closed for pressure relief,
And the secondary pump and forcibly dismantled, the sudden pressure surge will cause a huge explosion, and we will all die here.
Wouldn't it be fine if the high-pressure fluid in the pipeline could temporarily bypass this faulty secondary pump through the system?
Bypass? How is that possible? This is a hidden backdoor program with developer privileges? No. When the supplier installed system at the beginning, I didn't see them be able to retrieve this core code either.
Who is this woman, really?
Just press the enter key.
Hold on, let me operate it myself.
all parameters are running normally.
Oh my God, how did she do that?
That's amazing!
Miss Sarah, you are a godsend. I offer my sincerest apologies for my earlier arrogance and ignorance. From now on, you will be my most honored guest.
Blowout! It's over! We're all going to die today!
Everybody stay calm. The system pressure is just temporarily elevated.
Run! It's gonna blow!
Why would you trust a lowly cleaner?
Open the emergency escape hatch! Now! Get everyone out of here! There's no need for everyone to panic. Mr. John solved the blowout problem. I said to replace the main control valve. Who allowed you to mess around with it? It was this lowly cleaner!
You let a janitor operate the deep-sea drilling system?
Who's tough now, huh?
It was just an 80 million master control valve. Now, the entire deep-sea drilling system needs an overhaul. Conservatively, it's $200 million.
Is this the repair you promised? You're going to prison for this!
You think your methods are clever? Do you really think your little tricks are that clever?
You're just a filthy janitor. Who gave you the right to speak to me?
The greatest success of this Trident deep-sea drilling system is its multi-layered physical anti-blowout mechanism. Once the bottom pressure actually reaches the blowout threshold, the mechanical pressure relief pipes distributed throughout the system will burst first to force a pressure release and save the rig. Look around. Do you see a single pressure relief pipe exploding? As an engineer for the system supplier, surely you aren't ignorant of such basic components?
The blowout warning is maxed out. Are you blind, or are you trying to get us all killed?
In that case, I'll just have to check the background logs to see if someone sent remote spoofing commands to the system via the underlying code.
Checking background logs requires developer access. You're just a janitor. Who do you think you are?
You'll find out soon enough.
Marcus, what the hell are you doing? The safety of this entire base is at stake, and you're letting a janitor talk this kind of nonsense?
Then what do you want?
If you don't want a full-blown blowout, you need to pay a deposit right now. Then I'll bring my team in for a comprehensive inspection and maintenance of the system.
Wait a minute, I can.
This is no ordinary developer mode. It's the God-level permission only the true creators of the device can unlock.
Her? A janitor? This is impossible.
30 seconds before the blowout alarm went off, someone used developer access to modify the system's core pressure values. It tricked the system into thinking the pressure was about to breach the critical threshold, which triggered this blowout alarm mechanism.
Oh my God.
If I'm not wrong, Mr. John must have an insider in company, right?
Leo, aren't you the one who's supposed to handle all liaison with this supplier?
It's you?
He's the one! He said he'd make me rich!
Marcus, let me explain.
I, Marcus, have always respected you and flattered you for the sake of this base. But you son of a bitch, you actually treat me like a fool?
And then there's you.
No! No! No!
Take them away. Sarah, I apologize for my foolishness just now. The entire base is under your command. Sing free for your amending.
Jan's Jotun control was forcibly removed, which actually triggered the system's underweight defense mechanism. The physical motherboard is locked.
Sarah, didn't you have high-level system access?
The digital bridge was severed. The main board no longer receives any software-level commands.
So this deep-sea drilling system is just destroyed?
I need the control board from the automatic coffee machine in the break room. Then I'll go to the equipment room to find a soldering iron and some copper wires.
Coffee machine? Miss Sarah? There's just a single microcontroller chip in there worth less than $10. It's for controlling boiling water and frothing milk. Sarah, you want to use one as a cheap chip for boiling water to break through the super encrypted hardware worth billions of dollars?
I'm going to solder the coffee machine's chip directly onto the system motherboard's diagnostic pins and force it to inject a raw high-low voltage pulse, simulating a physical unlock signal.
Every coffee machine in this base, smash them all and pull out the chip.
How is it looking in there?
Almost. Just a second.
On the main board, using an electrical pulse to simulate a physical unlock. If you're not careful, the entire board and the whole system could be destroyed.
Almost. Don't move.
3 hours. It's been 3 hours.
Physical lock picked. The digital bridge is also connected. And it's successful. Sarah, well done.
Sarah, you are a god.
This is incredible.
David, restart the system. Only when the system is restarted and all components are functioning properly can we call it a complete success.
It all comes down to this. 3, 2, 1. Good shot. And that's how you save the world.
Nice work, David.
It's not over yet.
System started. Now we see if all the equipment syncs up. System stable. Bringing up the final performance metrics now. Base pressure tolerance hit 380,000 pascals. That's 20% above the original max. And oil extraction volume jumped 8%. What?
A scrap circuit board from a busted coffee machine not only fixed a $1 billion drilling system, but massively boosted its pressure and extraction capacity?
What?
A scrap circuit board from a busted coffee machine not only fixed a $1 billion drilling system, but massively boosted its pressure and extraction capacity?
Have I found God?
This isn't the limit. Give me more time. I can double this system's capabilities.
Miss Sarah, from now on, forget everything else. Focus Lears on research and Ruiz. Whatever you need, just name it. I'll beg, borrow, or steal to get it.
Deal. And in exchange, I don't want half the company, but I have a condition. From today, the entire engineering department answers only to me. I'm promoting the crew who've been sweating and bleeding for this company. They do the hardest, dirtiest work. They deserve the biggest paychecks. I'm promoting the crew who've been sweating and bleeding for this company. They do the hardest, dirtiest work. They deserve the biggest paychecks. More than anyone, I know you're the true soul of this steel beast.
But, Miss Sarah, you need money more than anyone.
My daughter needs surgery. That 300,000 check is enough. Follow-up treatment. I'll pay from my salary.
She's so brilliant. What happened to her? How did she end up here?
Miss Sarah, the share transfer is in the contract. You can't just turn it down. From now on, you are their boss.
What are you waiting for? Greet your new boss. Hey, boss.
Hello, boss.
Miss Sarah, the rig is yours. I'll go arrange your research funding.
I will unlock every last bit of your potential and make you 100 times stronger. Victor will pay for what he did.
Now, I need a team. People to work with me on R&D. You're in.
Me? I just maintain pipes.
I watched you when I was cleaning. You understand pipeline structure better than anyone. That's the kind of skill I need. You. To those I didn't pick, don't worry. There's no degree snobbity and no office politics. Work hard, stay honest. I promise you'll all become real engineers people respect. Now get to work.
Miss Sarah, I want to... Mrs. Sarah, I want to do research with you.
You're the boss's son. You can't handle this kind of grind.
Hard work doesn't scare me. This is my field of study. Besides, Miss Sarah, are you discriminating against me?
Discriminate? Against you? Fine. If you want this, you'll shadow me from now on.
Yes, Professor Sarah. Let me take you to headquarters right now. They've got the most advanced labs and a supercomputing center. You're gonna love it. Professor Sarah, settling in okay?
Thanks for the coffee. Yeah, it's nice here.
Mrs. Sarah, there are people outside. They say they're from the University of Houston, insist on seeing you.
Let them in. Word on the street is you were scrubbing toilets at Rene Oil. How the hell did you end up as the boss? What do you want?
Probably screwed some sugar dad to get here. What's she so smug about?
Sarah, you've made it big now. Time to help out an old friend, huh? The school landed a deep-sea extraction project, but the fluid seals keep failing. You're the expert. Take a look for us.
Sarah, if this project tanks, the school loses all its deep-sea RDB suffins for the year. Massive hit.
That easy? I thought I'd have to beg. What a pushover.
What the hell is your problem? Sarah, show some gratitude. Back at school without me looking out for you, you were nothing. Looking out for me? You made me your maid. Cooking, cleaning, laundry. That's your idea of looking out for someone? You knew Victor stole the core patent for my Trident deep-sea drilling system.
So why did you lie at that hearing? Why did you help them throw me out like garbage?
This is Mrs. Sarah's office. Take one more step. I dare you.
What, you think you can still push me around like back at school? I can fix your problem. But your board FARD trustee comes to me in person. And my fee starts at 1 million.
Sarah, who the hell do you think you are?
Who am I? You came begging to me. Now get the hell out of my office.
Get out.
David, thank you.
Protecting you is my job. Besides, that coffee throw was badass. Miss Sarah, that was the board trustee. You think he'll actually come?
I don't care if he comes. But my rules stand. Doesn't matter how big their titles are. They will respect my work.
Professor Sarah, let me show you around the lab. Sarah, thank God you're still here. I should have come myself from the start. Jenny is a disgrace. I fired her already. Regarding Victor's patents theft and your expulsion, the board has reopened a full investigation. Sarah, the school owes you. I will make this right.
An investigation? Now that you need something from me.
A $3 million technical consulting contract, and if you have other requests, name them.
Let's go.
Sarah, right this way, please.
Never thought I'd set foot in this place again like this. Not after how they humiliated me. Never thought I'd set foot in this place again like this. Not after how they humiliated me.
Sarah, right this way.
Victor!
Sarah, we finally meet again.
Get away from me.
You bitch. Just wait.
Sarah, the seals keep failing under high pressure. The whole fluid system is unstable.
This isn't some new project. They're trying to upgrade my Trident deep-sea drilling system. They know I'm developing a more powerful system at Renault Oil. They want to beat me to market. Using me again? Victor, your greed has no limits.
Sarah, you'll always be my puppet.
Can you fix it?
You should ask Professor Victor that question.
What is Sarah talking about?
This equipment is the BOP safety valve, the most critical component of the Trident system. Professor Victor, you're the sole inventor. You hold the core patent. Surely a genius like you can solve a simple seal problem?
What? This is the Trident system? This is supposed to be our latest research. How is it Tryon?
Look familiar? It's identical.
Victor, explain this.
I made some minor improvements, made the system stronger, more stable, and cut manufacturing costs. That's a good thing, right?
Then why can't the creator of the system solve a simple seality feeling problem?
Professor Victor, you didn't steal this patent, did you?
Bullshit! You have no proof!
Then why can't you solve it?
I just...
The problem is simple, actually. You blindly upgraded the hardware. It caused a millisecond delay in the sensor feedback. Just pull up the core code. Go to line 1 and 36. Add 3 overflow protection characters after the logic command. The system will auto-calibrate the seals.
She remembers the exact line number?
You'd have to know this system inside and out to just pull that from memory. Pull up the code. Now!
What's wrong? The Drantley holder doesn't understand what Mrs. Sarah just said?
I've heard the rumors. This system was Sarah's invention. You stole Sarah's patent.
No, that's not true.
Save it. Patent theft. Defrauding the school for millions in research funds. This is academic crime. You're going to prison.
Sarah, you vindictive bitch! Why are you doing this to me?
Fixed.
Sarah, please forgive my failure. You went through hell because of it. If you are willing, I'd be honored to invite you back to the university. We'll establish a lab in your name.
Mrs. Sarah, please come back. We need a real mentor like you. I'm quite busy at Renault Oil right now. As for coming back, we'll see.
The consulting fee will be wired immediately, increased by 50% as compensation from the school.
Mrs. Sarah, that was epic. A few words, and you sent that bastard Victor straight to hell.
I've waited so long for this day. So damn long. Back to the company. Our real work begins now.
Today, I formally introduce Mrs. Sarah. She is not just a top fluid dynamics professor from the University of Houston. She is the true creator of the Trident system this company runs on. From this day forward, Miss Sarah is the soul of Renault Oil. Myself included, everyone answers to Sarah. Whatever Sarah needs for R&D, Sarah gets.
I got sick, and now Mommy has to work so hard.
Sweetheart, I'm here. It's not hard. As long as my Susie gets better, I'll do anything.
Mommy, I have a secret to tell you.
What secret?
You're a superhero. I heard the nurses talking. You were on TV. You helped the university fix a huge problem. They all said Susie's mommy is the smartest person in the world.
Mommy just wants to take care of my little Susie.
Mommy!
Come on, let's get your favorite fried chicken.
Yes! Fried chicken! Best mommy ever!
In this moment, I finally felt like the whole world was mine.
Mommy, when are you gonna find me a daddy?
This is Mrs. Sarah's office. Take one more step. I dare you.
Increase the alloy strength in this flow channel by another 10%, and we can push its pressure resistance even in extreme deep sea conditions.
Another international energy firm just called. They want to pre-order the deep sea blade drilling system. But we haven't even finished developing it yet.
They said if Professor Sarah is leading the project, they're willing to wait 2 more years. Oh, and there's more. Fergo-Patalably is in serious trouble. Their losses are massive. They'd like you to come take a look, Professor Sarah.
David, take Johnson and go check out Ferropatalapoly.
Me? I don't know if I can handle that.
You'll never know until you try.
David, our entire company's survival is on the line here. Tell me, can you actually do this? David, our entire company's survival is on the line here. Tell me, can you actually do this? I've checked every main pipeline network. This flows pressure-lupid, pressure structural integrity, even the smallest welves. There's nothing wrong.
When you're stuck, go back and look at the places you thought couldn't possibly be the problem. That's usually where the real issue is hiding.
I've found the problem.
What is it?
A pressure valve has worn out, causing tiny but constant fluctuations in the hydraulic flow. That's what triggered the shakedown. Swap the pressure valve for a new one, and everything will be fine.
I'll go replace it right now! David, you're incredible! I apologize for my doubts earlier. Renault Group truly lives up to its reputation. David, you're incredible! I apologize for my doubts earlier. Renault Group truly lives up to its reputation.
It runs because over 8,000 parts work together perfectly, so you need to understand every single one. The better you understand each part, the simpler the whole system becomes.
This is invaluable experience. Thank you for sharing it with me, Sarah.
My abilities alone aren't enough. Only by working together can we go further. Keep studying. If anything comes up, just ask me.
Sarah, please wait.
What is it, David?
I was wondering, tomorrow night, if you're free, could I invite you to dinner?
Of course, David. See you tomorrow night.
Yes!
My poor Susie. I'll make sure you have a complete family, I promise.
The key is maintaining dynamic balance in the damping coefficient. First right in Breppingus Ballis, that fits perfectly with Sarah's theory.
He learns quickly and takes responsibility for the team. Maybe he really is someone I can rely on.
I've reserved a table at a French restaurant. Tonight, let's meet there.
All right.
Everyone out. I need to talk to Sarah privately.
Dad, what's going on?
Out!
Dad, what's going on?
Out!
Marcus, what's going on?
See for yourself.
What is...
They need a deep-sea extreme pressure sealing and fluid control system. Sarah, this is a huge opportunity for you and for the entire Row Group. If we this contract, no one will be able to challenge our dominance in deep-sea technology.
Every specification is extremely demanding.
Exactly. They require the system's baseline pressure peak to reach 800,000 pascals.
800,000 pascals? That's 3 times the maximum pressure capacity of the Trident deep sea grilling system. 800,000 pascals? That's 3 times the maximum pressure capacity of the Trident deep sea grilling system.
You should know, the deep sea blade system you're currently developing only has a peak pressure capacity of 600,000 pascals. That means all your previous research has to be scrapped. You'll need to completely rebuild the underlying logic of this system.
Closed-loop pressure compensation, millisecond-level pressure relief redundancy. These concepts, I've never seen them in any textbook. There isn't even a theoretical framework for them.
What? Not even you? The University of Houston recommended you personally. Their exact words were, "If anyone on this planet can deliver this system, it's you, Sarah." So, can you do it? So, can you do it? Makes sense. If even those top military contractors couldn't crack this, how could we possibly solve it? Sarah, don't put too much pressure on yourself. I'll go turn them down right now.
I can do it.
You really can?
We can't improve the materials any further, but we can rely on a brand new fluid pipeline topology design by redistributing them to share the load and increase the overall pressure tolerance.
I don't understand all that technical jargon, Sarah, but if you say you can, then I absolutely believe you can. Fantastic. I'll contact them immediately and sign the agreement.
Back then, you said scientific research was a man's world, that a woman like me could never amount to anything. Then I developed the Trident system and silenced you all. And this time, I'm gonna show everyone what you couldn't do, I, Sarah, can still do. Then I developed the Trident system and silenced you all. And this time, I'm gonna show everyone what you couldn't do, I, Sarah, can still do.
What on earth is going on?
Everyone, get up here!
The Deep Sea Blade project is suspended indefinitely. From now on, we're redirecting all our resources to break through on a brand new system, a deep sea extreme pressure sealing and fluid control system designed for submarines.
Submarines?
Breakthrough on a brand new system, a deep sea extreme pressure sealing and fluid control system designed for submarines.
Submarines?
$800,000 pascals? That's impossible. What kind of material could even withstand that kind of pressure?
This has to be a joke, right?
Relying solely on existing specialty materials won't cut it. So, we need to design a brand new fluid pipeline system. By altering the flow velocity distribution through the pipe structure, we can redistribute and enhance the pressure capacity. We can start by heavily modifying this existing system.
But there's no theoretical Frankel framework for this level of design. We have zero references. Where do we even start?
No theory? Then we'll create one. As for references, from now on, we are the reference the whole world looks up to. I'm going to use aviation-grade hydraulic oil with a high viscosity index as the medium, coordinated with over 80 precision-distributed valves of varying sizes and recalibrated pulse-width modulation signals. Our target is to lock the response latency between hardware execution and software commands to within 0.001 s.
This sets an unprecedented industry standard.
David, you're responsible for the deep adaptation of the pulse signations and the underlying software. There can be absolutely no millisecond level error. The pipeline topology and physical fabrication are in your hands. This is an incredibly tough mission, borderline impossible, but I believe that if we work together, we can create a miracle. This is an incredibly tough mission, borderline impossible, but I believe that if we work together, we can create a miracle. See that? At 0.3 s, there's a spike in the pressure curve.
That's less than a 0.1 megapel fluctuation. Could that really be a problem?
At 800 feet below sea level, external water pressure is nearly 400 pounds per square manus. A 0.1 megamolter fluctuation is enough to create a transient gap of 3 microns in the seal. 3 microns, enough for seawater to rush in at 1/3 the speed of noise.
The high-frequency pressure sensors are already the latest batch, and the sampling rate is maxed out.
It's not the sensors. This filtering capacitor's capacitance drops by 15% in low temperatures, and deep-sea temperatures are below freezing.
I'll swap it for a CZOG-type capacitor right now. Its capacity shifts less than 3% from -50 to plus 150 degrees.
Our date will have to be postponed.
A date? Sarah said date?
I'll swap it for a CZOG-type capacitor right now. Its capacity shifts less than 3% from -50 to plus 150 degrees.
Our date will have to be postponed.
A date? Sarah said date?
No matter how I tighten these bolts, something feels off.
Use a crisscross pattern. Torque setting at 120 Newton meters. Do not exceed a 3 Newton meter tolerance.
Got it.
Shut it down! Cut the pressure source!
It only reached 600,000 pascals, and the pipeline already failed.
It disintegrated at 600,000. To hit 800,000 pascals, it's impossible.
It only reached 600,000 pascals, and the pipeline already failed.
It disintegrated at 600,000. To hit 800,000 pascals, it's impossible.
600,000. Everyone, have you forgotten? That was the ultimate target we set for the Deep Sea Blade project.
I didn't expect us to break that limit so soon. Since we've already crossed the 600,000 threshold, why can't we hit 800,000?
But Sarah, we've tried everything. This is our 30th failure already.
Do you know how many times I failed when I was working on the Trident system all by myself in that basement? $138 times. And back then, I was all alone, no one to help me. Now, we've got cutting-edge equipment and so many teammates. 30-some failures, that's nothing.
can do this! We definitely can!
David, reset the entire underlying program. Let's run it again. Again.
It's been over a month! What the hell is the problem? Why won't it work?
The pipeline design is solid, the hydraulic oil is fine, it's gotta be a flaw in your software logic.
First the bolt snap, now the pipes explode. This is clearly your hardware team's incompetence.
Sarah, that's the 5th time upper management has demanded a progress report. They've lost their patience. If there's no breakthrough this week, the project is canceled. Not only will your team's efforts be wasted, but the entire Renault group will suffer massive losses.
Give me 3 more days.
Sarah, in 3 days, either you deliver a miracle or I file for bankruptcy and Renault Group disappears.
Tell his one trains a fresh air. That's you, moron. Playelman here.
It's normal to need to blow off steam. But I'll say it again, we will succeed. We've already pushed from 600,000 passpals to 700,000, haven't we? With zero theoretical framework to guide us, we've already created one miracle after another. We haven't failed. We've just hit a few bumps along the way while creating miracles. Whether it's for national industry or to give our families a better life, I think we can push a little harder. So giving up now would be a real shame. David, I need an AI program to dynamically balance and predict pressure peaks across the pipeline network. Don't worry, we'll get through this together.
Got it. I'll get on it right away.
I'm sorry for losing my temper earlier. You can count on me for the pipelines and valves.
We did it! We did it!
I integrated the AI algorithm into the underlying distribution system. It now predicts in milliseconds, precisely controlling the high-pressure oil flow into every pipe and valve. This achieves dynamic equilibrium and eliminates the risk of a single pipeline exploding under a sudden pressure surge.
David, that's outstanding work. How's the pipeline coming along?
Everything is ready to go.
Initiate a new test. Target peak pressure, 800,000 pastons. 820s and passols. The system is running stable.
Yes! We did it! Damn it! So what it's 800,000 pasums? We crushed it anyway! Yes! Ah!
I knew it. We could do this. I knew it. We could do this.
820,000 passols. We've created a miracle.
Everyone, you've worked tirelessly over these past 2 months. This glory belongs to every single one of us. Each and every one of you is a warrior, a hero. Yeah! All right, now, go home and get some proper rest. The military will be here tomorrow to inspect the equipment.
You must be Sarah?
Hello, I'm Sarah.
Take us to inspect the equipment.
Right this way, sir. This is it. Report. The maximum pressure reached 820,000 pascals. All other core data metrics have significantly exceeded our projections.
A technical nightmare that plagued us for 3 whole years, solved by a young woman like you. Sarah, you are a national hero.
Sir, we're not a you know or dennerstand from the significantly hot as 4 of you Emperfort.
Sarah, you don't understand the significance of this. This technology has long been under an Eastern blockade. Without the ultra-high pressure equipment, we would remain behind them in submarine development, leaving a gap in our strategic pivot. They even claim that unless we begged them, we would never be able to develop Excelsive.
Today, you didn't just break through a technical barrier, you slapped the Eastern powers right in the face.
I only played a part. They are the real heroes. Sarah, we heard you used to be a janitor at Renault Z-Twen. Could you tell us about your journey? Summits aldi went past as a Sfritisan journey and they don't go Redicu and Jishwa Luntwen. What was going through your mind at the— I toned the sound about Rena Forbidden to. I only knew that Thai could do, we could do better. This isn't a victory for me alone. It's the glory earned by this entire team through countless sleepless nights and relentless struggles against collapse. And it belongs to all Americans.
That's Sarah. I saw her on TV. What an incredible woman.
Even the military couldn't solve that problem, but she did. She's a national hero.
Sarah's my mom. Mom, I feel like you're a queen. Everywhere you go, people look up to you.
It's just my job. It's not that amazing.
Sarah, I lost every penny I made over the years. But they won't let it go. They want to throw me in jail. People are even threatening to kill me. Sarah, you're the only one who can save me now. But they won't let it go. They want to throw me in jail. People are even threatening to kill me. Sarah, you're the only one who can save me now.
Victor, how dare you even mention helping you? Back when you despisably stole all my patents and kicked me out of the company, how triumphant you were. Do you even remember that?
Did you really think I was ever interested in you? I just wanted the system.
Next, working you don't—
Next, you'll be officially expelled from the university for plagiaring my patent. Plin mis dating ansipacers life if you move only o kavactin one.
I was wrong. Sarah, we were together for so many years. I believe deep down, you still care about me. If you help me this once, I swear I'll love you properly from now on, and love Susie too.
Because of you! Susie almost died in that hospital because we had no money for treatment. And now you want me to forgive you?
Sarah.
You brought this all on yourself. Even if you died 100 times, it wouldn't 100 times. It wouldn't make up for what you did to me. Get out of my sight before I call the police.
Sarah.
Don't push me.
Even if you died 100 times, it wouldn't 100 times. It wouldn't make up for what you did to me. Get out of my sight before I call the police.
Sarah.
Don't push me.
What do you want?
Sarah, you're a national hero now. You have the whole world cheering for you. Why are you still holding a grudge against me?
Forgive me. Come back to me. Let's start over.
I said don't push me!
Let go of me!
Fine, don't forgive me. Just give me every last chent you have. And then you're going to keep me company. I want to see what it feels like to be with a national hero. Sarah, are you okay? You're going to keep me company. I want to see what it feels like to be with a national hero. Sarah, are you okay?
Who the hell are you? How dare you stick your nose in my business? You filthy bastard! Go to hell! Hey, buddy, calm down. You're gonna kill him.
Victor, we've been looking for you.
We already have a warrant out for Victor's arrest. Victor's wanted for multiples of patent theft and embezzling education research funds through shell companies. Massive amounts of money.
David, thank you. If you hadn't showed up when you did, I don't even want to think about what that lunatic might have done.
Sarah, come on. No need to be so formal with me.
That man was so cool when he took down the bad guy. Is Mom really going to find me a new dad?
Hi there, Susie. I'm David. You weren't too scared just now, weren't you? To celebrate getting rid of that creep. Come on, I'm taking you guys out for a feast.
Go ahead.
Yay, we're going for a big meal!
Sarah, someone is here to see you.
Sarah! No, Professor Sarah. You are absolutely phenomenal. The entire academic world is shaking because of your discovery. You are a hero in every sense of the word.
Actually, I should thank you for recommending that project.
Sarah, the truth is, I came here today to apologize. Expelling you back then was a huge mistake. Victor and Jenny deceived me. To make amends, I'm here officially representing the board trustees to invite you back. As long as you agree, Liji become top the Nasjursgant. Nieder fully fountain over Soyo Yenjos Yens.
I want the research facilities.
It's over. Renault Group can't keep a legend like her.
Thank you for the offer. I won't be leaving Renault, but Renault Group gave me a chance to start over when I was at my lowest and most doubted. That said, my alma mater did shape me. Whenever I have time, I can return to give lectures, mentor graduate students, or teach pro bono.
Then starting today, you are our university's lifelong scientific advisor. You simply must accept this title. No turning it down. Great. I won't disturb you any longer. We'll send over the appointment letter for the scientific advisor as soon as possible.
All right. It was a pleasure meeting you.
Sarah, thank you so much for choosing to stay, and thank you for leading our team to make history. Without you, I can't even imagine where Renault Group would be today.
If you hadn't given me your firm support and trust back then, I wouldn't be where I am today. We achieved this together. It was mutual.
Boss, this is massive news!
Our IPO application on Nasdaq just got officially approved. According to the latest Wall Street estimates, our valuation is over $70 billion.
Have legal draw up the cracks immediately. Transfer 50% of the company's shares to Sarah right away.
No, Mr. Marcus.
Sarah, this is what you deserve. If anything, I'm the one cashing in on you. If anything, I'm the one cashing in on you.
Since you trust me this much, I won't refuse anymore.
Sarah, from this day on, you aren't just the soul of Renault, you are Renault.
How far this ship sails from here on out depends entirely on you, our captain at the helm.
Now that I've accepted this responsibility, I'll give it everything I've got. I'll make Renault an enduring star in this industry.
Sarah, Yale University and Oxford University just sent formal invitations. They're asking you to give academic lectures at their schools. Sarah, this is the highest honor in academia. Most scientists wait their whole lives for an olive branch from either of those universities. You're officially a global academic superstar now.
David, turn them down for me.
Who? Turn them down?
I don't like being in the spotlight. For me, the lights in this lab are much more comfortable. Besides, I'm planning to tweak the molecular chains of the materials. I want to push the pressure limit to 1 million pascals.
1 million pascals?
Sarah, are you joking? Are you joking?
We broke through the 800,000 pasma Batermech, so why not 1 million? Life is meant to challenge limits, especially for researchers like us. If we only stay in the known safe zones, what difference is there between us and machines?
From now on, if anyone dares to sprout that in front of me about how engineering and research are a man's world and women should stand aside, I, Marcus, will be the first to fight them tooth and nail.
Dating a national hero comes with a lot of pressure. I feel like there are eyes watching us everywhere.
Oh? Feeling that much pressure, huh? Well, to help you relax, how about we just go home now?